Welcome back, guys. Today is 9.2. I believe we're in 9.2, day 2. Okay, we're talking about the double stem and leaf plots now. So double stem and leaf plots allow us to compare two sets of data. Okay, so in this one we have male versus female. Okay, the middle column is our tens place. So in this case we would have, I believe this is the age of females at a family reunion. Okay. So we have one female who's 15 and one male who's 10. And we have a male who's 12 and a male who's 15 and a female who's 18. And we also have a female who's 72 and a male who's 70 and another 70, another 71, 71, and 72. Okay? So we're going to use this to answer some questions, and then we'll eventually go ahead and put some in a double stem and leaf plot, I believe. Okay, so it says how many females are there and how many males. Now, just for number wise, I'm just going to count. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 females. Oops, I don't like that number 1 there. So we have 14 females. Okay, and again, we're going to count for males. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 males. Okay, so 14 females versus 26 males, so a lot of more males at this party. Okay, what is the median age for females and median for males? Okay, so again, when we're doing this, remember we're going to cross off the lowest and the highest. So I'm crossing out 15 and 72, and then 18 and 61, and then 21 and 60, 26 and 55, 29 and 48, another 29 and 46. So we're going to be between 41 and 42. Now again, I have a lot of students who will be like, oh, Miss Hawes, the median is 1.5. But remember, we got to take this 4 into consideration here. So it's 41.5. So the median age for females at this party is 41.5. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing for males. So why don't you go ahead, pause the video, and see if you can find the median, and we'll add that up together, okay? So I would start with my 10 and my 72, my 2 here. And you can do a couple at a time if you want. So then I would have my 21 and my 70. Okay, and then I'm going to have my 31 and my 66. And start with my youngest here. Okay, so let me double check here. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 crossed off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need one more crossed off. Just want to make sure I'm keeping the same. Now what's nice here is we end up with 251s. So the number in between 251s would be 51. So the median age for males is 51. I don't know why I keep putting decimal places in the wrong spot. 51 for males, okay? So what does the mean for each group? So I would go ahead and remove all of this. So I'm going to add up all my numbers. Now, thankfully, we know how many females and how many males there are for our mean age. So let's look at females first. Oops, let's write here. So that's going to be some number over 14, I know. And I know my males are going to be something over 26. So I'm just going to add them up separately on a separate calculator here. And remember, this is 15 and 18 and so on. So I'm going to do 15 plus 18 plus 21 plus 26 plus 29 plus another 29 plus 41 plus 42 plus 46 plus 48 plus 55 plus 60 plus 61 plus 72. So that would be 563 and divided by 14 would be 40.2. So approximately 40 years old. Okay. So go ahead, why don't you pause, try the male while I do it here. Remember, this is 10. So we're going to have 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 21 plus 25 plus 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus another one plus the third one plus 42 plus 45 plus 51 plus another 51 plus 56 plus 58 plus 59 plus 60 plus 65 plus another 65 plus 66 plus 70 plus another 70, plus 71, plus 71, plus 72, which would be 1,224. And then I'm going to go ahead and divide that by my 26 here. So that would be approximately 47.1 if I round, okay, years old. So if we're looking at the mean age group for each, the average age for males is a couple years higher than the average age for females, okay? And that makes sense because we have a lot higher data over here with more numbers than over here, okay? So just looking at that data. So if one side has a bigger median and the bigger mean on the average, that side has the older players. One average, are the males or females older? Okay, we're gonna come back to this information, I guess, because I just totally screwed this up.